Depression and anxiety are not life sentences. They are signals, a soul's cry for change. This journey isn't about reaching a destination, but embracing a trajectory of growth. Let's explore actionable strategies to reclaim your life one step at a time. Breaking limiting patterns, psychological strategies. Honor the struggle. Challenges are not enemies, but teachers. Acknowledge difficulties without judgment to shift from avoidance to empowerment. Mindfulness and thought interruption. When negative thoughts spiral, pause. Use the 5-4-3-2-1 technique. Count backward to activate your prefrontal cortex, then replace worry with a positive mantra. Reframe pain versus suffering. Pain is inevitable. Suffering is optional. Suffering arises from resisting reality. Acceptance allows energy to shift toward solutions. Building momentum through small wins. Daily routines and habits. Start micro. On dark days, redefine productivity. A shower, a walk, or tidying one corner of a room are victories. Celebrate these to build trust in your capability. Win the morning. Establish a morning ritual, hydration, stretching, or 5 minutes of deep breathing to set a proactive tone. Routine as anchor. Structure reduces decision fatigue. Plan 3 simple tasks daily, prioritizing consistency over intensity. The body-mind connection. Physical activities, exercise as medicine. Daily movement, walking, yoga, dancing, rewires the brain, releasing endorphins and reducing cortisol. Treat it as non-negotiable as eating. Nature therapy, walking in green spaces lowers anxiety. Even 10 minutes outside resets perspective. Diaphragmatic breathing, combat shallow, anxiety breathing with belly breaths. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Social support and community, social strategies. Reach out, don't isolate. Loneliness fuels depression. Schedule regular calls or meetups with trusted friends. Serve others, volunteering or small acts of kindness, e.g., helping a neighbor, create purpose and disrupt self-focused rumination. Join safe spaces, support groups or online communities normalize struggles and provide accountability. Crafting a purpose-driven life, finding meaning. Curate your beliefs. Identify limiting beliefs, I'm not enough, and replace them with affirmations tied to growth. I am capable of learning. Set micro goals. Align daily actions with broader values. For example, if creativity matters, dedicate 10 minutes daily to writing or art. Visualize the future. Write a letter to your future self detailing aspirations. Revisit it during low moments to reignite hope. Overcoming stigma and seeking help. Professional and emotional tools normalize help seeking. Just as you'd see a cardiologist for heart issues, therapists and psychiatrists offer vital tools for mental health. Meditation and mindfulness apps. Use guided sessions, Headspace to train focus and reduce anxiety spikes. Medication when needed. Chemical imbalances often require medical support. There's no shame in using prescribed tools to regain balance. Conclusion: the light beyond the clouds. Depression and anxiety are seasons, not forever. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a rebellion against darkness. Remember, you are not alone. The world needs your light. Keep winding the clock. Tomorrow is another day, and your story is still being written.